Imagine this situation. Your hands are busy, and your phone is ringing. Instead of missing calls, there is a hidden option on the iPhone that allows automatic answering. In this video, I'll show you how to enable auto-answer calls so you never have to worry about missed calls again. Watch until the end to see how this feature can make your daily life easier. So, let's start the process. On the home screen, find the Settings app and open it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit, look for the Accessibility option, and tap on it to open. When you enter this menu, you will see several options. Scroll down, and in the Physical and Motor section, find Touch and tap on it to open. After doing this, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the page, you will see the Call Audio Routing option. Tap on it. Next, in this section, select the Auto Answer Calls option. Finally, toggle the switch next to Auto Answer Calls to turn it on. Right after that, you have the option to set the time interval after which the call will be automatically answered. You can choose any time period in seconds, depending on your needs. Once you've finished adjusting the settings, simply exit the menu, and the feature will be activated. And that's it. I hope you successfully enabled this option. If you did, make sure to leave a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. See you very soon, and thanks for watching.